if you have not replaced these parts on your BMW, I really don't know what you're waiting for. Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and we're going to be working on the BMW 760 Ally today. Now we're going to be doing something that is pretty easy, simple and cheap to do. Now what is that? We are going to be swapping out the hood or bonnet struts. So in particular, this is one of them right here. Now believe it or not, this is actually an OEM strut for the hood or bonnet, whatever you want to call it. This is by a company called Stabilis, and these make the genuine BMW ones. Now I believe these to buy are less than £20 each. Obviously if you want to go genuine BMW, they're exactly the same, but you're probably going to pay about 5 times as much. So yeah, if you do want to check out these, there will be a link down in the description box below. This isn't a paid sponsor video or anything, but I figured I'd help you guys out and link these down below if you want to get yourself set. But without further ado, we'll get outside, let's get cracking. Okay then, so here is of course the BMW 760 Ally. Let me just show you what the original struts are like. They really aren't holding up too well. So I'll lift the boot up. Should hold there, right? No, it doesn't even hold at all. Both of these struts are completely shot. So yeah, they definitely, for sure, need changing out. So then while we replace these struts, we're going to have to find something to hold the bonnet open. So we're going to use this broom. Now then, when it comes to removing the original struts, it's actually very easy to do. All you need is a flat-bladed screwdriver or a pick tool. I find these work quite well. You just need to pop off the little retaining clip. There we are. You can either pop it off completely or just kind of lever it away. Of course, we're not reusing this, so it doesn't really matter what we do. But yeah, pop it off at the bottom, right away at the top, and the strut should then come away. And yeah, as you can see, this is completely shot. It's not holding up anything, that isn't. And before we install the new strut, I'm just going to give the mounting points a bit of a clean up. There we are. And then if we get our new struts, we can just pop these into place. Pretty self-explanatory how these go on. Good thing about these as well, they already come with a small amount of grease, so no need to apply any more. Just push it into place at the bottom. And of course, the same at the top. There we are. And as we can see, with only one good strut, the bonnet is staying in position. As you can see, I've removed the broom now and it's staying up. So we'll just quickly go ahead and replace the other side as well. Pops off. Pops off. Put this over to one side. Give the mounting points a bit of a clean. And go ahead and pop this into place. And there we go. Yep, everything is firmly into position. That should be us. Job done. Just going to push the bonnet down a couple of times just to test it. Look at that. I'm always amazed at how such a massive difference just replacing the bonnet struts can make. It's just so satisfying. Make sure everything shuts as it should. Perfect. Let's open it right from the bottom now. Look at that. Yes. If you have not already done this, you definitely need to. Like I said, my original shocks were completely shot. And for the sake of £30–40, this is well worth doing. Okay then guys, so there we go. Nice, quick, easy one today then. Like I said, if you have not already done this on your BMW, I would highly recommend doing it. It doesn't cost much to do this at all. Like I said, I will include links down below where to purchase these OEM struts from. I'll also include links for a BMW 1 Series, BMW 3 Series, BMW 5 Series, and of course the BMW 7 Series, what we've worked on today. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to say. Hopefully this video has been helpful. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. Please give it a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I will see you all in that next one. Peace!